Hi guys, this is Foots from Splash RC, and today I present to you Gary, big man Gary. Don't try to run away. Big man Gary's going for his first driving lesson. You get me? So let's see how this goes. All right, today we got big man Gary's Typhon 6S, converted, upgraded, but we're running it on 3S today. And we got the Arrma Vendetta, also upgraded to 6S, but we're running it on 3S today. Yep. And this is the course. Bit wide.